Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I want to talk to you guys about my Shopify store course line. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you haven't already, head on over to the Facebook group where we are creating a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. If y'all saw the previous video, I did talk about my Etsy course launch, and I'm very excited to let everybody know that I have also launched a Shopify store course where I walk you through creating your digital download store on a standalone website. Now, this is super critical for people who are looking to move away from Etsy. Keep in mind, Etsy is a marketplace, so they drive their own traffic. They get your products out there in front of audiences, and Shopify is a little bit more difficult to get up and running in terms of driving traffic and things of that nature, but don't worry about that just yet, okay? The first thing that you need to do is get your shop situated and opened, and this is where this course comes in. I will walk you through everything from registering your account all the way through to removing your password and launching, okay? There is an ebook option only if that's something that you desire, and I have that as a downloadable PDF separately, but if you purchase the course, you also get that included. And so you can see here on my screen, this is what that would look like. And there is a very long table of contents where I walk you through how to create your account, installing themes, getting the digital downloads application running, adding products, especially the bulk import from Etsy, making sure you have the right pages and policies, getting your menus and navigation situated, setting up your payments, going through every single preference in your back office, customizing your theme, and purchasing a domain. So I literally am going through everything in this book. And the book is just kind of like a copy of what the videos are. So you can see that it kind of walks you through in Word form with pictures as well, and how you can kind of go through that, okay? So to get there, you would go to courses.shootingstarsvg.com, and you will see here is the ebook, and here is the actual course itself with 20 lessons. Click on that and it will go through and show you the course curriculum, okay? And you can see all the bonus content here about purchasing and installing premium themes, adding gift cards, Google Analytics, running sales and promotions, and utilizing manual collections. So there's a ton of content here. And then if you go to the community section, there is also a section in the communities, which I know it looks kind of drab right now. That will change, where we have basically created a community similar to Facebook. But the nice thing about this is you don't need to use social media to be hooked into this. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are not a huge fan of Facebook or social media. And so we utilize these communities to really build an essence around people who've purchased the course itself, okay? If you have any questions about the course, feel free to let me know. It definitely is a really good jumping point. And for right now, I do have 50% off running from today until Sunday, which is the 10th. And to get that, you would just put 50 off launch in your checkout code, and you'll be able to get lifetime access to this. I recommend that you go and do that because more than likely the price is going to be increasing over the next few weeks. I'm trying to provide everything at reasonable price points in bite-sized chunks, instead of having a, hey, let's pay $600 for me to give you a bunch of stuff I read out of a handbook. It's not the case here, okay? You have my real world experience, you have me, and I'm here to help you and watch you grow on your journey. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer those for you. And if you need anything, you can reach out in the Facebook group. Again, if you got something on this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And hopefully I will see you guys over there on the course or in the Facebook group. Have a great day.